Hello friends, today we are going to unbox Shark Ninja Crispi Pro air fryer. This air fryer comes with glass baskets instead of metal, which is an advantage as it doesn't produce any harmful chemicals while cooking on high temperature. So in the box you can see some paperwork, you have a recipe book, here you can see a divider that will help you to use the containers as per their size. This is a bigger container. It's with a 5.7 liter space. If you want to cook bigger meals for family, so this is the ideal size for it. And here is the second container, which is around 2 liters for some small snacking and stuff, but yeah, of course you can always use the bigger one. Here is the air fryer itself. It looks like a skeleton, but you have to put the containers to see it how it looks. Here is the front and back of the air fryer. You can see how you can insert this divider when you want to keep the small container. The good thing about these containers is that they comes with these flexible lids, so when you are done with your cooking you can just put on the lid back and keep your prepared meal into the fridge, so you don't have to transfer into any other container. And of course these glass containers are dishwasher safe and also oven safe. Here I forgot to put that divider in the bottom that divides it into two parts. It also goes in the bottom of this container so that it fits properly. Alright, let's turn it on and see the modes it has. So this is air fryer, max crisp, pre-crisp. So in the max crisp you can see you can go up to 240 degrees Celsius. For dehydrate as well you have to roast. You can change the temperature and time manually as well. I do not have anything to cook, but let's cook little sausage. So you can see how it is sizzling, and you can see it through the glass container, which is really nice. Alright guys, so this was the unboxing video of Ninja Crispi Pro. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.